there, my wonderful friends. Okay, so talking about today, I am going to paint on phone covers.
Yeah,
This is the phone case I've been using from a very long time and hence it has become very old, so it definitely required a makeover. And along with this, I have this small phone cover which I wanted to paint from a long time, and finally, I am going to do it. So, without wasting any further moment, let's get started with our today's video. At first, applying gesso. Since these are silicone covers, it becomes a little tough to paint on them directly. So this step is a must.
But at first,
Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you haven't done it yet, click the red subscribe button right away and hit the bell icon for the latest video notifications. Finally, after applying 2 coats of gesso, this is what I have. Freshly coated, ready to paint on. So now, starting with the first one. A rough sketch first, just few lines for reference, and yes, I am going to paint a girl here.
a girl.
Yes, so starting with the painting, I am going to use acrylic paints here. I will first apply a base color to all the elements and then pay attention to light, shadows and detailing. So yes, I am creating books here. Basically, I am planning to use this phone cover. Like, I want this cover to be with me every time, everywhere I go. अगर possible होता तो मैं मेरे सारे art pieces लेके जाती, but it's fine. So, I wanted to paint few things which I love. Like paint brushes, palettes, books, flowers and much more. The process is really simple. A little drops of colors on the palette, and for the t-shirt I went with a dark turquoise shade. ज़्यादा कोई designer t-shirt नहीं होगा, just a simple t-shirt with cute and minimalist patterns. Well, go forward and paint anything you want. It can be a donut, cakes, rainbow, pets, anything you wish for. Just pen it down. You can also add some accessories to the girl, like adding cute yellow contrasting flowers around the bun.
Looking pretty till now.
So after I apply the base colors, अब मैं छोटे छोटे details पर ध्यान दूंगी. Using very dark shade of blue, I will create shadows beside palette and brushes. Also, मैं t-shirt के ऊपर भी थोड़े random sprinkle type texture दूंगी ताकि उसमें भी थोड़ी जान आ जाए. And the girl won't say in the future कि यार
बाकी सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स में डिटेल्स डाले, टेक्सचर्स भरा, फिर मेरे टी-शर्ट को क्यों प्लेन छोड़ दिया?
For the background, I will apply a plain coat of lavender shade, which I made by mixing a little bit of purple color in white. I will keep the background plain because I want the girl to be the main focus of the audience. अब थोड़ा face के details पे ध्यान देते हैं. The face is going to be super cute and super easy. I will try to keep it minimal and cartoonist. ज़्यादा realism वाली feel नहीं दूंगी. And yes, I added specs and a cute blush on her cheeks.
क्यूट दिख रहा है यार.
And then, using black acrylic paint, मैं सारे elements को border कर दूंगी. By the way, इन्हें पेंट करते करते याद आया that this is my hashtag customizing things part 4. Wow! I am so damn loving this process of customizing random things. Do check out my previous videos if you haven't done it yet. And share your lots of love by commenting, subscribing and hitting the like button. Cause यही तो चीज़ें हैं which keep me motivating and helps me to create beautiful artwork and bring it out to you.
Oh, so much love.
And I will also add a small jar above the books जिसके अंदर lavenders होंगे.
So cute.
And finally, our first one is done. I totally loved the outcome. Simple yet pretty. मस्त है ना?
हाँ यार, काफी क्यूट बना है.
Okay, so अब इस छोटे की बारी आई. I will add lots of color to this. By saying that, I mean मैं rainbow बना रही हूँ.
Wow!
I know, right? I wanted to paint a rainbow. लाइक रेनी सीजन है एंड मैं रेनबो ना बनाऊं, ऐसा हो सकता है क्या?
नहीं।
Well, I know that this type of rainbow phone cover is very common. But ठीक है ना यार, I want to paint this by myself. Even you all tried. Try creating random patterns or figures, textures, जो भी मन में आए वो बना दो. Just enjoy the work you'll do. 7 कलर्स के लिए उतनी जगह नहीं थी, so 6 कलर्स ही पेंट कर पाई. But it's still looking pretty, right?
Yes, really nice.
At the end, I will add a small text saying enjoy at the bottom. And at last, don't forget to apply varnish to both of the covers so that these will remain safe for a longer period of time and the paint won't come off. I enjoyed the process so much and loved how these both came out to be. You all should definitely try it. मैं future में इसका part 2 ज़रूर बनाऊंगी.
पक्का से, for sure.
तब तक के लिए do share your love for this video. I will add the link of the paints, varnish and gesso that I have been using in the description box below. Do check it out. And also do tell me in the comment section below that did you love this video or not. Hit the like button, share it with at least one friend and subscribe to my channel for such videos. Thank you and bye bye.